I drank ginger and lemon water for 7 days. My digestion and energy results. Have you ever finished a meal and felt like your stomach was still working 2 hours later? That heavy, slow, uncomfortable feeling. Or maybe you wake up tired, drink coffee, push through the day, and still feel like your energy disappears after lunch. For 7 days, I tried one very simple morning habit. No expensive supplements. No extreme fasting. No detox drink with 10 strange ingredients. Just warm water, fresh ginger, and lemon. And I wanted to find out something honestly. Could this simple drink make any real difference to digestion, bloating, appetite, and daily energy? Or is it just another health trend that tastes good but changes nothing? In this video, I will show you exactly how I made it, what I noticed from day 1 to day 7, what changed, what did not change, and the important mistake that could make this drink uncomfortable for some people. Stay until the end, because day 4 was when I noticed the biggest surprise. Before we begin, this is not a miracle cure, a fat-burning trick, or a replacement for medical care. It is simply a 7-day food and drink experiment. Everyone reacts differently, especially if they have acid reflux, stomach problems, gallbladder issues, or take medication. Why I chose ginger and lemon water. Ginger has been used in kitchens and traditional remedies for generations. It has a warm, spicy flavor, and many people drink it when they feel nauseous, bloated, heavy after meals, or simply want something comforting in the morning. Lemon adds a fresh taste that makes plain warm water easier to drink. It also makes the drink feel lighter and more refreshing, especially first thing in the morning. But the real question was not whether ginger and lemon taste good together. The real question was this: would drinking it consistently for 7 days help me feel less heavy after meals and more refreshed during the day? I decided to drink it every morning before breakfast. I did not change my entire diet. I did not stop eating normal meals. I wanted the experiment to be realistic. Because most people do not need another impossible health routine. They need one small habit they can actually continue. The simple ginger and lemon water recipe. Here is exactly what I used every morning. 1 cup of warm water. About 1 inch of fresh ginger, sliced thinly or grated. Half a fresh lemon. That is it. First, I added the ginger to the warm water and let it sit for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then I squeezed in half a lemon. The water should be warm, not boiling hot. Extremely hot water can make the drink unpleasant and may reduce that fresh lemon taste. I drank it slowly, usually about 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Some people add honey, but for this 7-day test, I kept it simple. No sugar. No honey. No extra ingredients. And I did one more thing that made the experiment more useful. Every evening, I asked myself 4 simple questions. Did I feel bloated after meals? Did my digestion feel comfortable? Did I have steady energy or a big afternoon crash? And did I actually enjoy drinking it enough to continue? Now let's go day by day. Day 1. The first morning. On the first day, the drink felt warming and strong. The ginger had a real kick, especially on an empty stomach. The lemon made it fresh, but the ginger was definitely the dominant flavor. I did not suddenly feel full of energy. I did not feel like I had discovered a secret weapon. But I did notice something simple. Instead of waking up and immediately wanting coffee, I felt more hydrated and awake after finishing the warm drink. That may sound small, but it changed the way I started the morning. Usually, mornings can feel rushed. Wake up, check your phone, drink coffee, think about work, and suddenly the day has already started. But this gave me a quieter start. My breakfast also felt lighter. I was not extremely hungry, but I did not feel heavy either. By the evening, there was no dramatic digestive transformation. But I did notice less of that uncomfortable, too full feeling after lunch. Was it the ginger and lemon water? Possibly. Was it also because I was drinking more water and paying attention to my meals? Probably. And that is important. Small habits often work because they improve more than one thing at once. Day 2, less mindless snacking. Day 2 was interesting because the biggest difference was not my stomach. It was my morning routine. Normally, when you start the day dehydrated or rushed, it is easy to grab random snacks later. A biscuit with tea. Something sweet after breakfast. A quick bite because you feel hungry, even though you may actually just need water. On day 2, I felt more settled before breakfast. I still ate normally, but I noticed that I was not searching for food immediately after eating. My digestion felt calm. No major bloating. No uncomfortable pressure. But I also learned an important lesson. I tried drinking the ginger and lemon water too quickly. That was a mistake. The ginger was strong, and drinking it fast gave me a slight warm burning feeling in my throat. Not painful, but definitely uncomfortable. So from day 3 onward, I drank it slowly. That is the key. This is not a challenge where you force yourself to finish a strong drink in 10 seconds. Slowly is better. Day 3. The afternoon energy test. Day 3 was the real test. For many people, the hardest time of day is after lunch. You eat a normal meal, then suddenly your brain feels slow, your body feels heavy, and all you want is tea, coffee, or a nap. I wanted to see whether this drink would change that. By day 3, I noticed that I felt slightly more steady in the afternoon. Not hyper. Not like an energy drink. Just more stable. I did not feel that sharp drop where you feel sleepy and unmotivated. Now, I want to be honest here. Ginger and lemon water is not caffeine. It does not create fake energy. It does not replace sleep. It does not fix a poor diet. But starting the day with warm fluid, a little ginger, and a simple routine made me feel less sluggish. And sometimes the best kind of energy is not a huge burst. It is simply not crashing. Day 4. The biggest digestive change. Day 4 was the day I noticed the biggest digestion difference. After lunch, I usually feel a little too full. Not painful, but enough to make me want to sit down and do nothing. But on day 4, that feeling was less noticeable. My stomach felt more comfortable after eating. I still felt full, but not overly heavy. This was the first day where I thought, okay, this may actually be helping my routine. And there was another unexpected benefit. Because I had started each morning with a warm drink, I began drinking more water during the rest of the day too. That may sound obvious, but many people confuse dehydration with low energy, cravings, headaches, or tiredness. This drink did not magically solve every problem, but it reminded me to take hydration more seriously. And that alone can make a difference in how you feel. Day 5, a warning for sensitive stomachs. By day 5, I had become used to the taste. The drink felt normal, fresh, warming, easy. But this is where I need to give an important warning. If you already struggle with heartburn, acid reflux, stomach ulcers, or a very sensitive stomach, lemon may not feel good for you. The lemon is acidic, and the ginger can also feel strong. For some people, this drink may help them feel settled. For others, it may cause burning, discomfort, or more reflux. Your body gets the final vote. Do not keep drinking something just because it is popular online. If it makes you feel worse, stop. Try plain warm water, lighter ginger tea without lemon, or speak to a healthcare professional if symptoms keep happening. Health habits should make your life easier, not more uncomfortable. Day 6. My morning coffee changed. By day 6, I noticed another small change. I was still drinking coffee, but I was not depending on it immediately after waking up. Before this challenge, coffee was the first thing I wanted. But after starting with ginger and lemon water, I could wait longer. I felt more awake before my first coffee. Again, I am not saying this drink replaced coffee, but it helped me separate two different things. Sometimes I wanted caffeine. Other times, I simply needed water, a calm morning, and a better start. That is a useful thing to learn about your own body. Because many people keep adding more coffee when the real problem is poor sleep, low water intake, stress, heavy meals, or an inconsistent morning routine. Day 7. My honest results. After 7 days, here are my honest results. My digestion felt lighter after meals, especially lunch. I noticed less of that heavy, bloated feeling that makes you want to lie down after eating. My energy felt more stable during the day. Not dramatically higher, but smoother. I also drank more water overall, which probably played a role. My morning routine became calmer. Instead of rushing into coffee and checking my phone, I had one simple habit that made me pause. And perhaps that was the biggest result. The drink itself was simple, but the routine around it made me more aware of how I ate, how much water I drank, and how my body felt after meals. However, there were things that did not change. I did not lose a huge amount of weight in 7 days. I did not wake up with unlimited energy. I did not suddenly become immune to unhealthy meals, poor sleep, stress, or late-night snacking. No drink can do that. But this was a useful habit because it was realistic. It was cheap. It took less than 10 minutes. And it was easy to repeat. How to make it work better. If you want to try ginger and lemon water, keep it simple. Use fresh ginger if possible. The flavor is stronger and more natural. Start with a small amount of ginger. You do not need a huge piece. Use warm water instead of extremely hot water. Drink it slowly. Do not add lots of sugar or syrups, because that turns a simple drink into something very different. And do not expect a miracle in one day. Give your body time. Try it for 7 days. Pay attention to your digestion, your energy, your cravings, and your comfort after meals. Then decide whether it works for you. Final thoughts. Ginger and lemon water did not change my life overnight. But after 7 days, it did something more realistic. It helped me start the day hydrated. It made my digestion feel lighter. It gave me steadier energy through the afternoon. And it made me more intentional about my health without needing an extreme diet or expensive supplement. Sometimes the best health habits are not dramatic. They are simple enough to repeat. So here is my challenge for you. Try ginger and lemon water for 7 days. Drink it slowly in the morning. Keep your meals normal. Pay attention to how your stomach feels after lunch and how your energy feels in the afternoon. Then come back and comment below. Did you feel lighter after meals? Did your energy feel more stable? Or did it not work for you at all? I want to hear your honest result, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family.